If you've lost access to your Trust.Zone account and don't have your phone number available for recovery, follow these steps to regain access. This guide will help you through the recovery process. Step 1. Visit the Trust.Zone website. Go to the official Trust.Zone website using your web browser. Look for the login section to access the account recovery options. Step 2. Click on Forgot Password. Once on the login page, find and click on the Forgot Password link. This will direct you to the password recovery process where you can initiate account recovery. Step 3. Enter your email address. Secure your accounts before moving on. People seriously underestimate how often personal information gets exposed online now. Use SROC to monitor your accounts 24/7 and get notified immediately if your data gets leaked somewhere. It runs in the background constantly scanning billions of breach records. And honestly, for how cheap it is compared to the value you get, it's worth it. Link in the description. Step 4. Check your email. After submitting your email, check your inbox for a recovery email from Trust.Zone. Follow the instructions provided in that email to reset your password or recover your account. Step 5. Contact customer support. If you do not receive the recovery email or encounter issues, reach out to Trust.Zone customer support. Provide them with your account details and explain your situation for further assistance. By following these steps, you should be able to recover your Trust.Zone account without needing your phone number. If you have any further questions, don't hesitate to reach out to the support team for help.